What is the best audience size for a successful Facebook ads campaign? Now, audience sizes can massively impact the success of your ads campaign, and Facebook has recently come out and they've told us what the ideal audience size is. Now, lots of other Facebook ads so-called experts who don't really run agencies or ad campaigns either, they're jumping on the bandwagon and they're updating their advice, but it's all wrong. Now, let me explain. Years ago, Facebook worked really well for really small local businesses targeting a small local audience. And the smallest audience sizes, they worked really well, but it worked well because Facebook knew so much about every single user and they sold that knowledge to advertisers like us so that we could target people with our ads. Then Facebook got in trouble for harvesting too much information on people and they got fined a record $6 billion. So they had to find a workaround. And the way they did this is by using artificial intelligence to understand user behavior, not user information. Now, you can't do this on a small scale. So previous audience sizes of 10,000 people, 10 kilometers from your little shop, they no longer worked. Now, in mid to late 2023, Facebook has launched its Advantage Plus audience targeting option. It's similar to what Performance Max is with Google Ads, and Facebook are basically asking you to give it all the control of who it can target, and in return, it promises to give you more of what you want, which is normally leads and sales. Now, whereas with Google, my agency is seeing Performance Max campaigns almost always outperform other campaign types, we're not yet seeing it with Facebook ads Advantage Plus audience targeting. Although I expect at some point we will get there. So Facebook's own advice is that the ideal audience size is more than 2 million people. However, this may not be the right advice for you and your business. If you're a large e-commerce supplier that sells all over the country and your products are quite generic, like sports equipment or footwear or garden furniture, then a large audience size of more than 2 million people would probably be the exact right way to go. But what if you're offering something more bespoke, like a children's franchise opportunity or sports injury rehab or lawn care services? In this situation, running an audience size of 2 million plus is almost certainly going to be a bad idea. So what if your target customer will only travel 10 miles for your service and there is only 200,000 Facebook users within that radius? In this situation, there's zero point expanding your audience to 2 million plus. So I'd suggest you go broad and you simply target the 200,000 people in that area. And if your product's only for women, just target the 100,000 women in that area. The fact is, one size doesn't fit all when it comes to targeting. So all these so-called experts spewing out advice to get your audience to 2 million plus, they're highly showing their inexperience here. Now, people who get real results consistently on Facebook ads, we test and test and test. With the Football Fan Factory, we've tried many audience targeting options, and the winning audience again and again is just 250,000 people. When we follow Facebook's advice and we combine ad sets and we broaden our audience targeting, we see results go down every time. So now we've conducted the testing, we know what works. With other clients such as 3Q Sports and Life Plus, who sell sports equipment and health supplements, now it works great running an extremely broad audience with the Advantage Plus audience because they have a lot of brand awareness in the market and their products can be sold anywhere nationally and internationally. Their target customer isn't that specific, so Advantage Plus works really well. Then we work with a local home improvement company and we're targeting just women over 30 in their local area. The audience size is 300,000 people and the ads work brilliant because we have a fantastic lead generator, not because of the audience size. Now, without a great lead generator, the ads would almost certainly flop. So don't believe everything you see and hear about audience sizes. Follow advice from people actively running Facebook ads every single day, like us at Lilac James. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.